So today we're going to be making a bracelet. First thing we need is beads, and we also need like fishing line or wire. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's like that. They're different thicknesses. You have this one's very thin because it's easier to use with the smaller beads. This is just something I've done before. This I did for Canada's 150th. I made it. So today we're just going to be doing like a simple design to show you how you can get to this. So first of all, we need to have like the structure of it. So first we're going to put one bead. We're going to loop it through. Loop it right through. Next, so there we have our base right there. Okay, so now we're just going to add some more to it. One on either side. So in total, we're going to have 3. And you need one on one side, one on the other, and you need one to pull it right through. So it's fall, and I'm just going to add some colors here. It's also Halloween season, if you guys want to try this. Okay, one on either side, one on either side. We pull it through. Okay, just gonna try a pattern here. Okay, so it's always 3, not 4. One on either side, one on either side. Pull right through. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, so now we're going to be adding so we're going to be making a little bit thicker. So this is what it looks like. Beginning stages. Okay, so now we're going to add another. Okay, another piece of fishing wire. Pull it through the first one here. And we're going to add 3 beads. Three beads. Okay. For the first one. Okay, there we go. And we're going to loop it under here. And now we're going to add our orange. But this time we're going to add 2. We just need 2. Okay. Loop it through. Here we go. Okay, so now we're going to add a splash of black. 2 again. Loop it through. Okay, and now we're going under. This one here. And just going to add some orange here. 2 oranges. So when we're finished, here. It looks like this. Okay, so we're just going to do another layer here, another column here. Go one through, loop it through again, pull it through the bead, the first one. And remember, when we're starting, we're using 3. If you put 2, it won't look as nice, and you won't be able to add to it when you feel like. So that's how we put 3. So here we go. Okay, under. You're going to try an orange. So this time, remember, it's 2. We're going to put it under now, to the back. And we're going to get 2 back beads. Okay, put 1 under here, like that. Do it like that. And then to add to it, to keep the structure, remember you gotta put the one that's down inside the orange one here. There we go. And 2 oranges. Okay, 2 orange here. Put it in. So now here you have the beginning. If you want to use it as Halloween decorations or bracelets or a choker or anything, you can do it. So this is basically the simple building block. On the outside here is where you'd continue if you want to add in terms of thickness here. And that's it in terms of this. In the past, I've done this one. It's bigger too. It's also big. We use bigger beads. You can mess around with the design if you want. This one's diagonal. This one's just a simple building block type of thing right here. And if you want beads, you can get them at your local dollar store. You can get them online. Same thing with the fishing cord too, or the wire you use to do it. I got these at Michael's. So that's it for today. I hope you had fun.